Behaviour management in primary. There are a number of behaviour management strategies that you could use for both primary or secondary, so there is a crossover, but today we're just focused on primary settings. We're first going to look at early years, that is age 4 to 5. This will be the first year group into the primary setting. Your role is much about helping children settle in as it is about misbehaviour. These children need clear structure and routines. So coming in for you, you need to try and establish this routine as quick as possible. Do they sit on the carpet when they are being taught? Do they sit on their tables? Is it whole group? Is it one-to-one? Is it small groups? When do they do choosing sessions? Is it indoor and outside free flow? That will be your responsibility to find out this information so that the children can have that clear structure in place. Don't assume that children will understand something the first time you say it to them. Repetition is key. Use lots and lots of use of tone. Learn to ignore attention-seeking behaviour. A lot of poor behaviour that you see in early years is designed to get your attention. Train yourself to give attention to positive behaviour and try to ignore the misbehaviour. Find out the school's reward system prior to the start of the day. Primary age children. Learn the names of your class as quickly as possible. When teachers know students' names, they are more likely to behave because they are being seen. Some of them are hard to remember, but actually, I find acknowledging this helps. I'm really sorry that I've forgotten your name. I might have to ask you through the day, but I will try my best. And then I write my name on the board so that children can often look at it if they forget my name, and then I say, if you forget, here's my name. Some of my supply colleagues suggested to draw the layout of the table and write the names as you read them out on the register, so you can refer back to it. Remember to dispose of personal details safely and securely at the site before you leave. Set your standards within the first 5 minutes that you're there with the children. Remain clear, confident and sure of the behaviour you want. Remember to ask colleagues how they tackle behaviour right at the start of the day. Know how to get your children's attention. Sometimes throughout the day, you may need to pull everyone together. Your children might be involved in any of these. Totally engrossed in an activity, about to do something dangerous, getting overexcited or too loud, moving between activities, in the middle of a noisy discussion task. Here are some suggestions that you could use. If you're going to use these, you will need to introduce it first, let them practice it, and then you can come back to it throughout the school day. You can use a non-verbal signal, like raising your hand. If I raise my hand, that means that everybody else has to turn round and also raise their hand, hold it up until all voices have fallen silent. You may want to use a time countdown. This indicates for children to know how long they have to do a task. You have 30 minutes to do this. You have 10 more minutes. You have 1 minute left, everyone. Or if you need a shorter time frame, I need you sat down on the carpet, you can use I'm going to start counting down in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sound signal. This is one I often use. It's like a clap back. So I would clap and then the children re-clap the same clap and then focus on me. So, and then they do it back and hopefully they fall silent. If they don't, do it again until they get the idea. Primary school children have always responded well to this. Praise the children who stop the quickest to encourage a faster response next time. Use a visual signal, maybe a sand timer, or if you've got access to an interactive whiteboard, you can use this so that children can see how long they have left of a task. Teach to the majority. If you're having issues with a particular pupil, the best thing you can do as a teacher is look to the rest of the class. If they're being attentive and doing what you've asked them to do, then you're doing a great job. When you react to challenging behaviour, you're likely to lose the flow of what you are doing and you're drawing attention to it. That is not to say that you don't deal with the misbehaviour. If they are repeatedly misbehaving, then refer to the school behaviour policy. Tell them that you don't expect this behaviour and you will not tolerate it. A sanction may have to be given in that instance. Reward. Praise the children that are doing the right things. Focus on them. Use the reward system that the school has in place. Some use dojos, which is an online reward system. Others use stars, stickers, achievement points, house points. All these are great examples of how to use reward systems well. The more praise in primary, the better. For example, you can tell a child that they're sitting beautifully. You can say to a child, "Oh wow, you're lining up so nicely, thank you. Thank you for raising your hand instead of shouting out, that's fantastic." Children in primary usually want to impress you, especially in the younger years. In this video, I have discussed key behaviour management approaches that you can use in primary settings. This can make your day a calm and enjoyable experience. As always, if there is something that you would like us to feature on our e-learning zone, or you've got any questions, just drop us a message or give us a call and we will try our best to help.